What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to see who's viewed your story on Snapchat or see how many people have viewed your story, whichever one you're looking for. So in order to start, you're obviously just going to launch the Snapchat app up. And then you're just going to hit your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner, and you'll be taken to this screen here. And then if you just hit your story and then hit the individual story itself, whichever one you're trying to look at, you'll be able to pull up right there who's seen your story. And if you want, you could search if there's a lot of people and you're looking for a certain someone to see if they viewed your story. You could do that. All you do is just tap on the story. I only have one thing on my story right now, so it's kind of hard to show you an example. But if you have multiple stories posted on, you'll be able to tap each individual one and see if somebody has seen it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and also read the description because I put some very important information down there. Thank you for watching.